everyone, I'm Hans Galendez, and thank you so much for taking me to be part of this FanCon. Hello guys, hello. Hi. Again, I'm Hans, and I'll be your game master for tonight's FanCon. Alright, ready na ba kayo makipaglaro sa boys?
Yeah.
Yes! Okay, I just want to remind everyone, I hope you still have your tickets with you.
Yeah.
Yes?
Yes.
Kasi naman, this time, it's a one-on-one interaction with the boys! Yes, we'll be selecting one fan for each member, making it a total of 9 lucky fans! Yes, they'll join us on stage to play the game together, and it is a once-in-a-lifetime moment created by 9 members and 9 fans. So this is the selection process for the boys. You can just read the message on the prompter. The selection process is simple. Each member will personally draw, as you can see, meron sa gitna. They will personally draw a seat number from the raffle box, and the chosen fan will be invited out on stage. At yung mga fan na yan ay manggagaling sa SVIP seat! That fan will be paired one-on-one with a member to play a special mission game. But wait, it doesn't end there. Hindi mag-end sa game. The lucky fan will, should I say this part? Or should I just keep it a surprise? Should I say it? Should I say it? No, let's save it for a surprise. Okay? But I just want to just say some hint. For those who will be picked, don't forget to bring your phones up on stage.
Yay! What is it? What is it?
So guys, are you ready? SVIP! How about the boys? Are you all boys ready?
Yeah! Of course! Yeah.
Alright. So who will be the lucky fans to become the stars on stage? So let's begin! So let's start tayo kay Shuaymo. Alright, you can now get the number. Oh, excited sila! Let's go! Who will be the lucky fan? It's SVIP 101, row 20, seat number 1. Meron ba? Oh my God! Don't forget your phone. Please on the side. Let's go to the corner. Next one will be Honey! SVIP 103. Boy, meron. Row 12. Sit number 2. Next one is Nono.
SVIP 101. Row 11, seat 12.
Oh! 101, row 11, seat number 12. Wow! Yes! Next is the JL.
Sa akin po, SVIP 103. Sa letra. Row number 10. Seat number 2.
Oh! Please punta tayo. Oh, wala? Ay, nagulat ulit. Of course.
Wala po, sure po ah. Okay.
Wala ba?
Isa? Ah! Alam ko!
Oh!
Wow. Okay. Okay. Congratulations po.
Guys, don't forget kung sino yung bumunot ng number niyo kasi kung sino yung bumunot, siya yung magiging partner niyo. Next, our leader needs Steven.
Next lucky person is SVIP 101, row 6, seat 13.
Seat 13! Meron ba?
SVIP 101,
101,
row 15,
row 15,
seat 18.
seat 18.
Congratulations, po!
Ay, don't forget to bring your phones up on stage, ha? Next is si Cookie!
Unki pick. Unki's pick is SVIP 103, row 9, seat 16.
Meron ba?
Who's that lucky po? No one?
No one?
16?
Who's that? Who's that?
Oh, there you go.
Congratulations, po!
Si Juan!
SVIP 101, row 4,
Row 4.
seat 2.
Oh,
Number 2.
row 4, seat 2. Oh my God!
Wow! Congratulations, po! Congratulations, po!
And last but not the least, Dice Kinini.
Nice to meet you!
SVIP 103,
103,
low 11,
11,
sheet 21.
seat number 21. Wala. Oh, you have to draw again. Really? Ah, there is.
Oh, congratulations!
Congratulations, please. Here in the stage. And with that, we now have 9 lucky fans who will be joining the AHOF members. Now let me just quickly explain the games on how it works. There are a total of 9 games. There will be 9 games to be prepared today, each designed to let us to get to know more about the members. Before each game starts, don't worry, I'll give a quick rundown of the rules. And for our very first game, we'll be playing with our treasure. AHOF treasure, Shuaigo. Can we let the fans walk on stage now? We're just waiting for the fans. Are the fans complete na ba? Are they all complete? Ay, ate ko.
Congratulations, po!
Congrats! Happy center. Ano, piniligaw bigla? May we know your name? Ay, ate. Are you ready to play the game? No! So, for the first game, would you like to say what's the first game? The first game is say the same number. So this is just like an intuition test. Ha? At dahil may less din ako, kahit natalito ako na bahala sa kanya. So, both of you will be secretly choose one number ranging from 1 to 9. When I give a signal, you will shout out your chosen number at the same time. There. Same time. If the number match, the fan wins! And if they don't match, unfortunately, it's a fail. But again, ako bahala sa kanya. Alright? So I'll count 1 to 3. after 3, you say the number. Okay? Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Alright. 1, 2, 3! 9! Ang bilis na. Oh my God! So, do you have your phone with you? Do you have your phone with you? Yes. So, as a surprise, you can now take a picture with your girl. One lucky fan. Thank you so much. Congratulations to the points.
Meron ko bang video up? Pwede bang video up po? Pwede bang may film up po?
Up next is none other than Honey! Captivating us all with all his charisma. So Honey, do you know already what the game will be playing? You will be playing a balance game. Balance game, yes. Very, controversial balance game, but it's still an intuition test. So, here's how it works. I will present 2 options. Okay? First, the AHOF member will secretly choose one in his mind. Then the fan will try to guess which option the member chose. When I say 1, 2, 3, both you will say the word. So the words will be flashed on screen. There. So the first word is sea versus mountain. So you'll choose between whether it's a sea or a mountain. Or cat versus puppy. Or theater versus home. Pag nakuha mo agad ito ng una pa lang, go, sell ka agad mo. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Parang kinakabahan. Sorry, I forgot to ask for your name. What's your name? Alright, let's start the game. So you choose between sea or mountain. Okay?
Okay.
Pwede kayo magulungan para makuha nyo na agad. Alright, let's go! 1, 2, 3! Say? Okay! Please bring out your phone, take a picture with him. Hey! My high five! You have your phone? Take a picture with us! That's your prize for guessing it correctly. Hey, congratulations! Now we call on the third, who will be partnered with the irresistible visual, Jungkook. Please come up on stage. Hello, what's your name? Hello. So your game will be make the same heart shape. So you can just do this, or do this, or do this, whichever. At pag nagtulad kayo, you'll get a picture with it. Cool? Cool? Alright. After 3, then you do the heart shape. Parang kabado ah. Alright, let's start. 1, 2, 3! Ayan! After guys, you can now take a picture with your review. Now the next lucky fan that will be paired up to our shining star! check about fruits on the screen. It's still another intuition test. Pwede naman kayo magbulungan kung gusto nyo. Alright, so you can just choose between apple, grape, watermelon, strawberry, or banana. Are you ready? Ready?
Okay.
1, 2, 3! Oh my God! Ang bilis! You can now take a picture.
Wala pa ba yan?
Yes, ma'am! May paakbay!
Okay, man.
The atmosphere is getting even more exciting. So let's proceed with the next lucky fan, who will be paired up to the winner, Christina. This time, you will be choosing, or your game will be matched the same season. So there are only 4 options. 25%, makukuha agad. Well, either spring, summer, autumn, or winter. Okay? Are you guys ready? After 3, guys, okay, after 3. Alright. 1, 2, 3! Oh, summer na tayo! Wala ka na nakamali sa kanila. Yes, and you can now take picture with Steven. Ay, naku, maraming may inggit. Congratulations! We're now heading to the finale, and the next AHOT member is very own man straight out of Coppin. Jiren! Oh! So guys, your game will be match the same drink. So you'll just choose whether it's coffee, juice, carbonated, or water. O, diba? Ganda kang kabait. Lahat mananalo. Are you guys ready? Cool. 1, 2, 3. Water.
Healthy choice.
You can now take your selfie. Grabe ka ingit. Nakakaingit, ma'am. Mamak, sir. Congratulations. Next, lucky fan will be paired up to Oki. Naku, sir, kung magkamali ka pa dito, ha, dalawa lang yung choices. Morning person versus night owl. So 50% chance, okay? Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Oh, it's so hard! It's so hard now!
How did you match?
But anyway, let's just count 1, 2, 3. After 3, okay? After 3. 1, 2, 3! A morning person! You can now take a picture with Uki. Ang suswerte! Ang suswerte nila! Next, lucky fan, you will be partnered with Pagkadihuri John! Your game will be match the same weather. Di ba ang dali? So you just need to pick the same weather for you to win. So the choices are sunny, rain, cloudy, or blind. Blind means rainbow, by the way. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Alright, they're ready. 3, 2, 1! A rain! Kasi nga medyo mga maulan ngayon. You can now take your picture with lucky fan to be partnered with the adorable youngest member, Daisuke. Your game will be pick the same ice cream flavor. So there are 4 options: vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, or mint. Medyo nag-usap-usap na sila dito. Ay! Grabing interaction yan. Are you guys ready? 1, 2, 3! Okay! Please take picture with guys here. Alam sa swerte nila. Congratulations! Alright, okay, magkadala dahil may next game pa tayo later. Alright? So that concludes the games with our AHOC members. Thank you so much to all the fans who joined up on stage and participated. A big round of applause for them, please! And make some noise for AHOC! I think you're already ready for your next performance. So boys, please take it away. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Wow.